I always wonder why Amazon is one of the biggest and most successful companies in the world. And the answer I got is pretty simple. Amazon prioritizes its customer over everything. This means Amazon is dedicated to its customer to ensure they enjoy seamless and hassle-free shopping experiences from their platform. And here is the interesting part. To ensure customer satisfaction, Amazon put the A to G guarantee. Now what does that mean? It's a customer protection program that covers the timely delivery and condition of items a customer purchases from Amazon. Let me make it more clear to you. Suppose Mr. X, an Amazon seller, got an order from Mr. Y, who is the customer. Now Mr. Y claimed that the product has a problem and it was delivered late. Now Mr. Y can file an A to Z claim. Now what if Mr. Y claimed a false claim? And what happens if you got too many claims? Well, if a seller received too many A to Z claims, his account may be suspended or terminated. Amazon has a metric called the order defect rate or ODR, which is the percentage of order that result in an A to Z claim. If a seller's ODR is above 1%, it means his account is at risk of getting suspended. Okay, don't get puzzled. I am here to help you all through the Amazon A to Z claim. I have divided the whole video into 6 segments. What is the Amazon A to Z guarantee claim? Why customers submit an A to Z claim? How A to Z claims affect your business and seller account? How to handle an Amazon A to Z claim? How you can appeal a claim and how you can prevent the A to G claim in the future. This video is going to be really exciting. So stay tuned till the end. First of all, what is Amazon's A to Z guarantee claim? I think you already got the idea. Amazon's A to Z guarantee is a policy that provides protection to buyers when they purchase items from third-party sellers on the Amazon platform. The A to Z guarantee is designed to give buyers peace of mind by offering a refund or other remedies in case they encounter certain issues with their orders. Whether you are using FBA or FBM, still you can have the A to Z claim against your order. But the only difference is, if you use FBA, you are not responsible for delivery related issues. Now you need to know the reason why customers submit an A to Z claim. Customers may submit an A to Z claim on Amazon for various reasons. When they encounter problems with their orders or have issues with the products they purchased. If a customer hasn't received their order within the expected delivery window. If the received item significantly differs from the product description or is in a condition that was not disclosed by the seller. If the item arrives damaged or defective, customer may file an A to Z claim to seek a replacement, refund or return. If a customer notices an unauthorized purchase made from their account, they may file a claim to seek a refund and report the issue to Amazon. If the customer has tried to contact the seller to address an issue but received no response, they might resort to filing an A to Z claim to escalate the matter. We have already discussed how it can affect the business. Mostly the A to Z guarantee claim impact the order defect rate. In short, ODR. We have already discussed it at the beginning. Now, if customers are unhappy with the purchase or service, they will not hesitate to do anything they are permitted to get their money back. So don't take the A to Z claim lightly, it can be ruined your business. Apart from ODR, there are a few things that can affect your Amazon business, like Amazon may issue a refund to the buyer from the seller's account, so you may lose the sale amount, the cost of the item and even the shipping fees depending on the situation. In some cases, Amazon may ask the seller to accept the return of the item if the buyer is unsatisfied. This can lead to additional cost for the sellers, such as return shipping fees and potential restocking fees if the item is not in its original condition. Negative feedback from buyers can deter potential customers from making purchases, leading to decreased sales and growth. But the question is how to handle an Amazon A to Z claim. Prior to responding to a claim, evaluate the situation thoroughly. Take note of your perspective of the claim, why you think to claim should go in your favor, and provide evidence to support your note. According to Amazon, the following types of documents you may need to submit for investigation. For delivery related claim, you need to submit dispatch method, proof of delivery, tracking number and carrier details. For returns related claim, you need to submit eligibility of return request, domestic return address, return shipping details such as return label. Save any emails or messages from the buyer that show they received the order and satisfied with their transaction. Also, you need to make sure you respond to Amazon's request within 48 hours, otherwise the case will be closed. As a result, it would be going to the customer's favor. Let me explain how you can appeal a claim that has been granted against you. According to Amazon, if the A to Z claim is decided against you, you will still get 30 more days to appeal from Seller Central. If you don't respond, appeal against the claim within 30 days, the case will be automatically closed and the negative impact on your ODR will not be resolved anymore. But if the decision is reversed by Amazon, your account will be credited. How you can prevent the A to Z claim in the future? If you follow the below strategies, you can easily prevent the A to Z claim. Number 1. Accurate listing. In most cases, customers may open a claim due to the inaccurate description, which means they did not receive the products that meet their expectations based on your listing. So, you need to make sure that your product description accurately aligns with your products. You can include key details like size, weight, color, and any special note, and provide clear and high quality images to avoid confusion. Number 2. Quality packaging. Once you ship the item, your product may have in top condition. But if your packaging is not perfect, it could be damaged before being handed over to the customers. So you need to ensure that the item is well packaged to minimize the risk of damage during transit. Number 3. Prompt shipping. Customers are willing to get the product as early as possible, so you need to ship the order quickly and meet the estimated delivery date. Number 4. Customer service. Be responsive to buyer queries and address issue with professional manner. Number 5. Tracking information. Provide tracking details to the customers to keep them informed about the order status. Number 6. Refund and return policies. Please set up clear and fair refund and return policies that align with Amazon's guidelines. Number 7. Proactive communication. Reach out to buyers to confirm orders received and satisfaction. Number 8. Quality control. Regularly inspect products for defects before shipping to customers. Oh, another important thing is, when selling high value items like rare books or jewelry, it's important to require a signature upon shipment. This helps Amazon confirm that the buyers received the item, as without a signature, it can be difficult to prove delivery. So that's all for today. We hope you understand everything clearly. If you didn't, don't hesitate to comment below or email us at info@ecomclips.com with this video link. We will be happy to help you with that. We would appreciate if you subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it via social media to help others. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the new video. Till then, stay safe.